Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the ground we walk on? Imagine stumbling upon a piece of history, a fossil, a tangible link to a time long gone, a time when giants roamed the earth and the world we know was an entirely different place. Today, we delve into the exciting world of fossil hunting and the essential tools that make this exploration possible. Imagine, if you will, a group of campers nestled around a roaring fire, the velvety darkness of the forest surrounding them. The camp leader pulls out a canvas bag, and inside is their ticket to a thrilling adventure, a complete fossil hunting kit. The first gem to emerge from this treasure trove is a sturdy magnifying glass. It's not just a tool, but a window to the past. With it, the intricate details of fossilized remains become clear, revealing the beautiful patterns etched by time. Then come the chisels and brushes, the very tools that will help the campers pry history from the Earth's grasp. The chisels, heavy and robust, are ready to chip away at the rocky terrain, while the brushes, delicate and patient, stand by to whisk away the dust and debris, revealing the hidden treasures beneath. Every camper is also equipped with a notepad and pencil. These are their chronicles, their way of documenting the journey and the discoveries. They sketch the fossils, note down unique characteristics, and create a record that will serve as a testament to their adventure. With their fossil hunting kit in hand, our campers venture into the wilderness, their eyes scanning the ground, their minds buzzing with excitement. Every rock holds a promise, every patch of earth a mystery. The magnifying glass, the chisels, the brushes, all come into play in a symphony of exploration and discovery. As the campfire flickers and night blankets the campsite, the campers huddle together, their faces reflecting the warm glow of the fire. Their fossil hunting kit lies nearby, a silent partner in their shared adventure. Stories of their discoveries fill the air, each tale a testament to the thrill of uncovering hidden treasures from the past. As the campers drift into dreams, their minds are filled with ancient creatures and the promise of new discoveries. The fossil hunting kit has ignited a spark, a love for adventure that will endure long after the campfire has turned into embers. Each tool in the kit, a key that unlocks the mysteries of the past. So, what do you think of such a camping adventure? Would it be something you'd enjoy? We'd love to know your thoughts. And if you're inspired to embark on your own fossil hunting adventure, check out the affiliate link. There you'll find a complete fossil hunting kit ready to accompany you on your journey into the past.